All right, so we built the guessing game, the secret guessing game, and then we went over a math object. Now let's go over a date object and set timeout function. Um, First things first, we need to create a variable. I'm going to call it today and have it equal new date. And then I'm going to console.log this variable today. And it is going to do exactly what it sounds like it's going to do. It's going to console.log today's date. So I have Thursday, July 21st, 2016, and then the time, right? Pretty straightforward, right? Not too difficult. Another thing that we can do is we can do dot get date, dot get day, dot get month, or dot get full year, which those all do exactly what they sound like. Next, you have dot get hours. So if I add dot get hours, this is going to return the hour from 0 to 23. So let's take a look. It says 19, right? That's because it's still on a 24-hour clock. So if you want it to not display that, which would actually be 7 p.m., right? If you want it to not display that, you have to find a way to convert it from non-military to non-military time. And it does the same thing for .get minutes. So let's try that out. This returns the minute from 0 to 59. So let's check it out. 46. So yeah. And same with seconds as well. So if you want it to not look that way, this week's project is actually going to be to create a clock and convert it to non-military time. Change it from being a 24-hour clock. So date object is pretty straightforward, basically exactly what it sounds like. Next, we have setTimeout function. SetTimeout function makes it so that function happens after a certain amount of time that we specify. So let's try set function, and then I'm going to say, what do I want to happen? I'm going to say alert hello and then I'm going to say 3000. The reason why I'm putting 3000 is because it counts in milliseconds. So this is going to happen after 3 seconds. So if I say set timeout function alert hello, it's going to alert me hello after 3 seconds. Let's check it out. If I refresh, 1, 2, 3, hello, hello back. Cool. So that's what you would use set timeout function for. Obviously, we're using this in a very simple manner, but it's very useful if you wanted to, if you wanted to use this for something else. So if you guys have seen some of, like streaming websites, I don't know how many of you do this, but some of them, 15 seconds after you're on their website, you get this thing that pops up and it's like, you have a virus. That's probably a set timeout function and an alert. So that's something that you can use if you want to troll people, or I'm sure you can use it for a more useful purpose than that. But that's about it, and hope this helped. As always, reach out to your mentor if you have any questions.